That's what I'm about to get y'all. I tried to do Vlogmas. I failed. I'm a new YouTuber and I couldn't get my timing, my videos, and everything together. So basically, I'm gonna give you guys what I recorded for the beginning of December. And then I'm gonna do a montage of the rest of the month. So then that way you guys can just see what I had and just see what was going on. Text my cousin. All I do is get on her nerves. She had sent me a post and I was like, oh, this post is so her, because she dates narcissists and she also is a narcissist. But I wasn't in the mood to tussle, so I ain't even sent it to her. She just sent it to me and I just texted my response like, girl, I wasn't in the mood to fight and argue, so I ain't never sent it to you. I'm just really cleaning up because I keep saying I'm gonna be consistent on this YouTube thing, and then I don't never do the YouTube thing. So here we are. Here we are, all alone. Good. I'm more like your vitamins. Oh my goodness. Throw that shit away. It's no good. Period. It's no good. Y'all need to throw that stuff out. For real. Y'all not taking them anyway. What you holding on to them for? Throw that shit away. Garbage. I just threw a bunch of shit away. I'm talking about, I probably ain't took these vitamins since before the pandemic. It's about to be 2023. That's 3 years. Might as well add another 2. Yeah, that's 5. Throw that shit away. On another note, y'all. As soon as I'm done breastfeeding, I cannot wait to get some fucking Botox. Oh my goodness. Give me the fucking Botox. I'm talking about, give me the fucking Botox. Because I don't know how other people feel, but I just want y'all to know this is going to be a safe space. Some stuff y'all going to agree with me on, some stuff. Oh, hold up, never mind. It's a days later now. So I'm so happy to finally be getting my car back. Hopefully everything is fixed. Hopefully there's no complaints. I'm just gonna hope for the best because it's been a fucking process. Yeah. So I'm currently on my way to the dealership though, so I can pick my vehicle up. Like I said, it's been a fucking process. Yeah, there's that. Okay, so I guess I'll just talk to y'all later. I really don't have nothing to talk about, and I'm sitting here and I'm trying to figure out like a good point because I don't want to be irritating. I don't watch some bitches YouTubes and I'd have been like, oh, I shouldn't say that. I need to follow the guidelines and I need to do like a little refresher course on what you can and cannot do because I do not want to get what they call it, shadow banned. Get on here and be expressive. Nobody come and shut me down. That to happen. Where the hell am I going? Actually, that's a better question because I really don't know. Let's start there. I really don't know. I'm really just driving. So yeah. So I am calling myself partaking in Vlogmas. I am actually not new to YouTube. Now it's oversaturated, but now I'm ready. I don't think I was supposed to turn right here. Y'all, I was going the wrong way. My slow ass. That's what I get. I'm going the right way. So now we can go get the vehicle. So then that way we can continue the rest of our day. Yeah. Now my little new friend asked me if I had gray hair though. Like I was like, no. And I'm like, yeah, I got gray hair. I'm old. The fuck? Feel no way. I don't have no gray hair. Let me tell you something else though about yourself. I'm gonna keep that for the group chat. Jesus Christ. If y'all know how long my car been in the shop. It's later, and today has been an eventful day, to say the least. I am tired. I'm going home. So it's the next day, and I always have such a hard time recording and making sure I get footage when I'm out with my mom and the baby. This is me just grabbing some dog food. This is all I did that day. It was on sale, so that's the one they got. This little spicy salad. Y'all better come over here and get y'all one of these. What's that? A crab salad. The lighting in my kitchen is super trash, so bear with me while I try to make my dinner with my small human attacking me every chance she gets. Come on, baby. You cannot be over here by the stove, okay? Let's go over here. Stuff that's hot. Let's go this way. Ooh, ooh, do it. Do it, do it. Shake it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it. Dance. Dance party in the mission. In the mission. Dance party in the mission. Okay, baby. But come on, so Mama can finish dinner so we can eat because it's getting late. It's getting late. Why you? I got to be here. Listen. Some things are appropriate, some things aren't. That's one of the things that isn't appropriate, okay? That's alright. What do you want from me, little baby? Huh, little baby? Little baby. Little baby. Little baby. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Okay, baby, come on. You gotta let Mama cook. Okay, alright, you cannot come over here. Alright, turn that down so we don't burn that up. Let's grab this knife. This is my child's way of letting me know she's very unhappy with me. She's displeased with her mother. Hey, that's not how you communicate with my mom. Ooh, baby, listen. Shout out to the super moms. I'm not one of those. The moms that can get it done, no matter what. Let me tell you something. You girls deserve your flowers. You hear me? Because, baby, let me tell you, this thing is struggle. Struggle. Yeah, struggle. Look. Yeah, y'all ain't even know. I knew that the danger was literally lurking right there. That's why let me hurry up with my pot because this little baby is on her way. This little baby is on her way to bother me, to bother her mama. I'm working it out though today. Better than other days. It's a lot worse than this. You want cheesy? Get back, Twa. Really quick. Don't give it to him. You eat it. You eat it. Don't give it to him. It's for you. Yes, it is for you. You the reason why he over here bothering you anyway. You was trying to give him your food. Toph, you gonna go upstairs in the room, Toph, because you're gonna get in trouble. I don't know what's wrong. I'm trying to save y'all lives, and everybody wanna mess with me today. Let me tell y'all something else. What bothered me for a really long time about YouTube was convincing myself to talk to myself out loud all day. I talk to myself all day anyway. But convincing myself, like, girl, go ahead, get in that fucking YouTube thing. Set a camera up and then I'm gonna just talk. Who the fuck I'm talking to? And then I realized, you know what? It's people out here in the world. Besties. I got besties out here in the world that don't even know that we're... Don't go over there messing with stuff. What's that? Extra cheesy? Let me see. Yep. Go upstairs. Upstairs. Room talk. You don't know how to sit down here and just be good. You just gotta go to the... You taking it to the next level. So now you gotta go upstairs to your room. Let's say something else. Dog mom. Human mom. This is task. If you thought you kept a clean house, let me tell you something. Have a kid. They introduce you to another level of OCD. These little things, they find literally the most microscopic shit to pick up. Honey, listen. You can vacuum your floor. You can vacuum your floor, honey, until it's crystal. And then next thing you know, your small human gonna find a way. Gotta be late. But this that one in there too. It's what you need. It's what you need. I'm just gonna tell you to wait before you pull it up on her, so then that way she can put the rest of the cabbage in this pan. And then you can hold on to mama, okay? So, did you hear me? 1 second. I'm gonna get you. Alright. I did buy fresh garlic, y'all. And the fresh garlic might be a thing, but it's a thing for when you don't have a small human. And she didn't work, y'all, sis. She didn't work, y'all, good sis out. Sis about to have a cocktail. Sis read it. Here. That's a little cocktail up. Nothing major. Just a little, you know. Oh, that's my body getting excited because it's about to have a drink. You know, go crazy though. Just a little cocktail. A little, you know what I'm saying? A little razzmatazz. What be going on with you? Cheers to that. Ooh. That's good. Oh my goodness. That tastes good. Yeah, mama needed that.